What's up, everyone? And we are back with the second one. Like I said, I bought two, and this is the other package. It is Sonic's Party Punch from Gfuel. And the box, once again, great deal. Pretty sure I made money on these. That's a good quality cup right there. That is a quality baby dick sized cup. I like that. Actually, are these stickers? Are these? Oh no, they're not like stickers. It looks like they're like, oh no, maybe they are stickers, but they're just like really flat. I don't know. I like this cup. It's really nice. Feels good. But let's get to the actual meat of it all. Okay, how does it smell? It smells a little bit like cereal, like a kid's cereal. I can't find the scoop in here, so I'm just gonna use the other ones. Get a little bit more in there. Want to get a good flavor amount. That's good. That's good. It still tastes like a kid cereal, like a really sugary kid cereal, but it does taste like fruit punch. It tastes like what it advertises on the box, which is great. I'm happy with this. This is fantastic. In fact, I bet if I mix the two flavors together, it will be awful. But we can try it. We can definitely try it in another video. But yeah, so Sonic Party Punch. Hey, not bad. Pretty happy with both these. Plus, the cups are really nice. You got to appreciate the cups in these boxes. And in fact, I could see people collecting these like they do Funko Pops and other trash. So there you guys go. If you like this video, hit that sub button. If not, well, leave a comment because YouTube calls it engagement all the same, and I don't really care. Other than that, thanks so much for tuning in. I've been Arif. This has been Sonic Gfuel Party Punch, and I will see all of you on the next video. Bye.